guys, welcome to my channel. Today is DIY Wednesday. Today I'm going to actually try something with my hair. Last week I posted something about how I manage my 4C type hair, but now I have short hair. But that doesn't mean that I cannot take care of it, you know what I'm saying? Because even though the hair is short, I need to start taking care of it right now. I've been hearing so much about this NaturAll or NaturAll, this avocado based product that everybody's talking about on Instagram. I'm not usually on Facebook, so it's probably a lot on Facebook too, but I've been seeing it a lot on Instagram. Like, this is basically what it is, like this thing. And this is the box I received it in. And I actually bought it myself, okay? It actually comes with a lot of products. So it comes with, alright, and there is this whole thing at the bottom. It looks like hay. But whatever. There is the shampoo, conditioner, the deep conditioner that you leave in your hair for it says 20 to 40 minutes. This you have to leave in the freezer. You know, you have to just keep it in the freezer, and then when you're ready to use it, you have to leave it out for like 2 hours before you put it in your hair. That's what it says back here, leave-in conditioner. So after you use the deep conditioner, the one you leave in your hair for like 20 to 40 minutes, then you rinse it off, and then you use this leave-in conditioner so that you don't wash off. You just leave it in your hair, basically. Medium hold avocado curl custard. Here it is. That's what it is. And then you put it after the leave-in conditioner, and then cherry on top, the pure avocado oil. So this is what it is. That's what you use last, and that gives your hair brilliance or like shininess, something like that. So guys, we're gonna go together and take a shower. Don't get too excited now, you're just gonna see my hair. Okay, see you guys. That's the shampoo. Conditioner. I'm gonna comb through it. Okay guys, I just came back from the bathroom from washing my hair, and the next step, well, I did the shampoo and the conditioner. Now the next step is to use the dry hair solution, the deep conditioner that I took out from the freezer about 3 hours ago now. So okay, let's open this up and apply to the hair. Okay, it smells minty, herby type of thing, but it's probably avocado-y too. Okay, so I'm gonna apply that to my hair, and it's supposed to stay in the hair for 20 to 40 minutes. Because my hair is really extremely dry, I'm gonna leave it for the whole 40 minutes, and then I'm supposed to rinse this off and then continue to the next step. Okay, this thing is really like, it just slides through. I can still feel like my hair is dry, but you know, like my individual hair follicles or like hair are dry, but I can, like, I can feel like it's gonna be really easy to comb right now, because if I had long hair, I would probably be able to slide my fingers through my hair like that. Maybe put a little bit more, and then while I'm waiting for the 40 minutes, I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Oh yeah, I think it's enough massaging. I'm not a masseuse. The shampoo First of all, the shampoo was really nice. It felt nice in the hair. Felt really nice. And the conditioner too. And I combed my hair in the bathroom, and it was easy to comb. Cause even though I have short hair, like my hair is 4C. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna comb. Oh God. Okay. So maybe, ooh, I'm gonna use a bigger comb. Maybe this right here. I know my combs are horrible, but who pays the bills? Ooh. Oh my God, struggle. See how short my hair is, and it still hurts that much to comb. Ah. Okay, let's use this first, okay? Oh, this is nice. Okay. Okay, your job is over. Okay, now let's try this. Okay, it's easier. Okay, hopefully after 40 minutes it's gonna be way better than this. Ooh, what am I combing? I'm gonna rinse it again. I'm gonna count down 40 minutes, come back and rinse it off. And yeah. Hey guys, so the 40 minutes were up, and I went and rinsed off my hair. And I'm gonna dry it. Now I'm gonna dry it. The next step, just make sure they give you like this little paper where all the steps are. So I cleansed, I detangled, I nourished. Now I need to moisturize. Oh, okay. So the next step will be the leave-in conditioner. They said to apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner, so I guess this is enough. I don't know. I mean, better work. I just applied that leave-in conditioner to my hair, and my hair feels so good right now. Like, you know, I have like really extremely dry hair. Like, I don't know if my hair went to the desert and came back or whatever, but my hair is really dry and it hurts when I comb it. But this conditioner makes my hair feel like, you know, I mean, it's not like straight or anything, but it well, let me put a little bit more. Oh wow, this leave-in conditioner definitely is the best part. Well, I haven't tried the last thing yet, but so far that's the best part. Woo! The leave-in conditioner feels even better than the deep conditioner, the one that you leave in the freezer. Okay, well, okay, so after the leave-in conditioner, it's asking me to comb my hair. Okay, so I think the way my hair feels right now, I can use a small comb. Be right back. I think I can use this. Let's see. Nope. Alright, still this first. Well, but my hair feels so much better, even if it's not like detangled all the way. Like, I really feel like it's soft. It's not like dry, like a sponge when I put my hand in it. So wow, I'm impressed. Okay, NaturAll. Do I really want to use this? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, the key is to use the bigger one first. Okay, it's easy to comb through it. And my hair feels soft. Oh my God. When is the last time I felt my hair feel so soft? I don't remember. Okay, the next step is curl custard. Okay, so what am I supposed to do with the curl custard? It's it says after nourishing hair with our leave-in conditioner, apply curl custard to clean wet and towel dry hair. Work a small amount of product into the hair from root to end. Overuse can cause flaking. Okay, so don't overuse it. Okay, girl. Gently comb through for even distribution and style as desired. Do not rinse. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright. Alright, so it says small amount from root to end. Well, I don't have much distance between the two in my case, but okay, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna do like this. Okay, so that's it for the custard, and it says to comb through it for even distribution. Okay, do I want to use this or go back to the big one? Let's see. Okay, that's fine. The next and last step is the shine. Let me see what the shine is about. This is the last step, guys. Pure avocado oil, so that's what I'm gonna use last. How much? I think this is enough. I don't have that much hair anyways, so oops. Need this in my life, you guys. Need this in my life. Oof. Okay, I didn't lose that much hair. Well, I don't have a lot myself anyways. Let's see. This is my hair. Legit, I was expecting my hair to look something like this. You know, like curly, but like big curls, not like tight like my 4C hair. But I guess, you know, my hair has been dry and damaged for a long time because I colored my hair a lot, because I cut my hair because it was heat damaged, and then when I cut it, I started coloring it a lot, so that's probably why it's so dry. So I was kind of expecting this to like fix it right away, but you know, it's not magic. I think it's like a process. Like, you have to use it for a while, maybe for like a good at least 6 weeks to like see results. But you know, I definitely feel like my hair is way less dry than it was yesterday, or you know, before I used this product. I used a lot of other products, and I'm not gonna compare here, but you know, my hair definitely feels a lot more moisturized, and I hope in the next 6 weeks I am going to get closer to the result I wanted. If you have like the same type of hair as me, whether it's longer or a little bit shorter than me, just be patient. Okay, don't get discouraged just because it didn't give the results you expected right away. So you know, just be patient with the product. I'm personally gonna use it for another 6 weeks before I draw any conclusions, but for now I'm pretty happy with the result for day 1 or week 1, whatever. I'm gonna wash my hair and do this. Is like a long process, and it's like a lot. It's like 6 products you have to use, so I'm not gonna do that every day. I'm gonna do that once a week, and I'm gonna use my regular shampoo and conditioner and leave-in conditioners, whatever, everything I was using before that. I'm gonna use that the other days, but this I'm gonna use it once a week. Thank you guys so much for watching this review slash DIY slash try it out, whatever. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, milwap, and